All right, welcome back to Funk Ditch. Let me turn this tractor off and tell you what I'm doing here. That's my MX 5200 Kubota 2018. Nice machine. Anyway, you'll note the extended exhaust pipe, quasi sealed up, going up here into, yes, a diesel fuel tank. So what am I doing? I welded this 2-inch NPT female ring on this tank and this tank. These tanks used to be up on stands, and my local supplier will no longer fill tanks on stands. I have no idea why. So we're putting them on the ground, but these were upright tanks or gravity tanks. So all they had was the fill, right? And the plug. So bottoms are plugged, although I might put a level indicator on that. But I was stuck with this conundrum of how do I weld on a fuel tank that's got either fuel in it or, it's been emptied, but there's still, residual in it. And diesel does not, quote, explode. But my brother talked some sense into me, and this is just the safe way. So what's the idea here? The exhaust from the tractor creates positive displacement, and I'm pumping exhaust through the tank, not to heat it up, but in theory, right, the exhaust is oxygen free. All the oxygen's been removed from that airstream, so I'm pumping out exhaust through this port as I'm welding, because if a spark lands in the diesel, which probably nothing would happen, but it is now in an oxygen deprived environment. And we all remember our fire triangle, right, boys and girls? So yeah, that's how I did it. Is it the right way? I don't know. Did I explode? No. Don't try this at home, or, do as you will. My tools, Lincoln MP210. By the way, I am not a welder by trade. I'm a farmer. So I'm welding with MIG wire. Yes, it's really messy. I don't care. I'm gonna cover it with paint. It just has to keep the cap from keep the cap in place and keep water out. So one end's gonna have a pump. I have one pump coming, and where did it go? I'll find it in a second. So we're gonna plug one tank is not in use, so it'll get plugged. And then I have an electric pump going here. And then when one tank is empty, we'll just swap the pump for the plug. And I'll grease this up so water can't get in, and so I'm gonna sneeze. To keep water out. So that's it. If you've ever wanted to weld on a fuel tank, there is a method that you should try at your own risk, or not. I hope that's helpful. Oh, I drilled the hole with a DeWalt mag drill, which was okay if I fed at the right speed. Because it's a curved surface, right, the magnet didn't stick, and it's thin. So I don't know, it's maybe a 1/16. So it didn't hold real well. And I ruined a brand new Diablo hole saw. I've never seen this happen before. And it's just a bimetal saw. It's nothing fancy, but, first time cutting anything. I wonder if I can get that warranted. All right, thanks for watching. If that was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Like and subscribe. If you're looking for a welding helmet, this Fronius is, I can't say the word, the things that babies feed off of. It's that. All right, bye.